Hi, today I'll be guiding you through the process of using the long-term disability calculator available on our website. This tool is designed to help you estimate the benefits you might receive from your LTD insurance, including both past due benefits and future benefits. However, it's important to know at the outset these are just estimates. They do not guarantee any specific benefit amounts and should not be used for financial planning. We're going to start with our basic calculator. This version is for those who do not have their LTD policy readily available. It operates on a series of generalized questions about your personal and employment information, including your date of birth, the last day you worked, whether you received LTD benefits before, your annual salary before disability, and the amount of Social Security disability benefits you're receiving, if any. The basic calculator then uses certain assumptions to estimate your benefit amount. However, for a more precise estimate, we recommend using our advanced calculator with a copy of your LTD policy in hand. Our advanced calculator asks for more detailed information from your LTD policy to provide a more accurate estimate. First, you'll enter your date of birth, which helps determine when your maximum benefit period ends, which is the total amount of time you may receive benefits under your policy. Your policy may specify benefits are payable up to a certain age or for a specific number of months. This is your maximum benefit period, although policy limitations may apply that shorten this period. Next, you can enter the last day you worked and the length of your policy's elimination period or benefit waiting period. This information helps calculate when your benefits should start, which will typically be the date you last worked plus the number of days in the elimination period. Past due benefits will be calculated based on this benefit start date unless you've already received LTD benefits. If you've already received LTD benefits, input the date of your last payment to calculate past due benefits. You will also be asked whether your benefits are a fixed monthly amount or a percentage of your pre-disability earnings. If your benefits are a percentage of your pre-disability earnings, you will be asked some questions about your earnings prior to disability. You should include your salary and any other amounts that are included in your policy's definition of pre-disability earnings, such as commissions. The calculator then determines your gross monthly benefit based on this information. Our calculator also takes into account any offsets that may apply to your benefits under your policy. You can input the amount you receive for SSDI benefits and any other applicable offsets as defined by your policy, like workers' compensation, VA benefits, or pension benefits. Offsets will reduce your monthly benefit amount, so it's crucial to include all relevant information. Lastly, consider any limitations and exclusions specified in your policy. These can affect the duration of your benefits or disqualify you from receiving them altogether. After entering all necessary details, the calculator will provide an estimate of your potential LTD benefits. Again, this tool is just an estimate based on the information you provided. It does not guarantee that you will receive the amount shown and should not be used for financial planning, but it will give you a general idea of how much you may anticipate if your claim is approved. You can also check out our write-up on our long-term disability calculator, which will outline its specific functionalities in more detail. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our LTD calculator. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.